540 Mopar back to work.
Trick flow heads burning hot. The 540 stroke a rumbling rock. Six-pack Mopar muscle mean. Running 699 is breaking the scene. Beating Hellcats left and right. Moser axles grip so tight. Mickey Thompson's tire screams. Griffin Street in hot night dreams. Fire in the streets beneath the star. QA1 engines, Cuda, coolest by far. Don't be a hater, feel the heat. Classic beauty, never bleed. High octane roars through the night. Speed and power in the moonlight. Burn your rubber on the track. No looking back. Attack, attack. Attack. Street lights flicker as we go. Engines roar like a beast slow groan. Adrenaline pumping through the veins. Victory's ours, never in chains. Fire in the streets beneath the star. QA1 engines, the coolest by far. Don't be a hater, feel the heat. Classic beauty, never bleed. High octane roars through the night. Speed and power in the moonlight. Burning rubber on the track. No looking back. Attack, attack, attack. Street lights flicker as we go. Engines roar like a beast slow groan. Adrenaline pumping through the veins. Victory's ours, never in chains. Fire in the streets beneath the star. QA1 engines, the coolest by far. Don't be a hater, feel the heat. Classic beauty, never bleed. Attack, attack, attack. Attack, attack.
440 block, stroked out to 541 cubic inches. Block is balanced in blueprint line honed with steel billet caps and a girdle. External Milodon oil pickup, 11.5 to 1 compression. Trick flow, 240 heads. Comp cam, 660 lift, solid roller cam. Harlem sharp aluminum roller rockers. Ported 6-pack intake. 3XP Holley 500 CFM carbs. 1 7/8 ceramic coated and header wrap 3 in exhaust.
Good job, baby. Now you spit all over the hood. Right there.